Hey, what's up everyone? Paul here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some big cash rewards by making money on YouTube with 0 subscribers using YouTube SEO. So not viral channels, anything like that. We're just going to use YouTube SEO. So this strategy, it looks really straightforward, and it actually is. Most people overcomplicate things, but there's a lot of money, and I'm actually going to show you this strategy with affiliate marketing, since you can use it for your own products and services, but if you haven't got a product or service, obviously you can use it for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you it with that. So obviously I've used it for affiliate marketing. These are some of the affiliate products I've promoted. This is how you'll be able to get yourself on the leaderboards, because this strategy, when you actually see how you put it together, you can actually, you can sort of outrank other people, and you can get these evergreen free traffic streams coming in. Right, and you don't, I mean, I've never spent a single penny on any of these products, and I've always been in the leaderboards. And we have this plugin as well that we can put on, which tells us who has all this authority. And this product here is the one I'm going to show you. Now, this is Groove Pages. And in this 12-month period, we got a 6-figure business from a handful of videos. So I'm going to break down how we did that and exactly how you can kind of go and find the next Groove Pages, or find the next thing that you want to promote. Or you can even just go and promote Groove Pages, because there's tons of searches for it and it's wide open. So first of all, you can see here I'm in Muncheye, and this is where affiliate launches are actually being launched. Now, obviously, if you've got your own product or service, you can ignore this step. But if you don't have a product or service and you want to promote somebody else's product, then what you can do is you can come over here, and this is going to tell you all the launches that are coming up. And also it's going to tell you the launches that have already happened, that have just launched, and, you know, stuff that's available. So what you can do is, some of these are on JVZoo, some of these are on Warrior Plus, some of them are on ClickBank. And you can, this one here's ClickBank. And what you can do is you can choose a product that you would like to promote, and then you can kind of go and sign up for it, get all the resources and all the rest of it. So I'm obviously not going to go into that, because that's kind of more of an affiliate marketing specific strategy. And the reason I'm showing you this, okay, because this strategy I'm going to show you now is really, really cool, because I spotted this product in here, right? This is Muncheye, it's owned by a chap called Chris Munch. And basically this, you know, I noticed here on Christmas Eve in 2019, I noticed Groove Pages. Now, Groove Pages was a standalone product at the moment. They'd already created Groove Cart, but it said Might Feel Same. So it said Might Feel Same Groove Pages. Now, I already knew that Mike had created some of the leading softwares that I'd used in the past, Kartra, Webinar Jam, and EverWebinar. In fact, these products I'd become in the top 10 affiliates for those products. So I knew Mike from creating those products, but he'd kind of been behind the scenes and not really doing much for a couple of years. What I didn't actually realise is he'd exited Groove, and he had an NDA, so he couldn't actually trade for a couple of years. But then he was basically getting together with some new business partners and putting together Groove. And this is when he was launching. So what I decided was that, you know, I could take a punt by putting up, basically putting up some videos about this product. And if it hit, then we would win big. And as you know, like I just showed you, we got 6-figure business from just a handful of videos. So what you can do is you can choose some of these affiliate launches. Some of them are going to win big, right? Some of them, the best way to look at this is like penny stocks, right? If you remember penny stocks, like in the Wolf of Wall Street, some penny stocks, or, you know, you can go and like, you know, cryptocurrencies or whatever. Some of these ones that are worthless, right? One of them could go into orbit, right? So what you could do is you could spread bet on loads of cryptocurrencies, you know, just a couple of quid or something. And then one of them might end up making you, you know, like Bitcoin did in the start, could end up making you like an absolute fortune, right? Because Bitcoin went from worthless to kind of like stratospheric. And that's the same thing, like penny shares on the stock exchange. You know, sometimes people spread bet penny shares. If you watch the film The Big Short, actually, there's a couple of chaps in there that they did that. They sort of spread bet on penny shares, and some of these kind of went into orbit. And you can do that. You can go and put up videos about these, and they're super simple. You can rank them straight away because nobody's ever put up videos before. And you can put them on Google and YouTube. I'm going to show you a couple of keyword tools you can use for that as well. And then what you can do is these products, some of them are going to take off, and then you can get yourself a 6-figure business just from a handful of these videos, which is really cool. So, you know, obviously, like I say, if you're using your own product, you can ignore this step, but this is a great resource. It's just muncheye.com. You can go and check it out, right? So the next thing is we want a keyword tool. So there's two keyword tools that I use. These are my favorites. There's one called Keywords Everywhere, which will cost you $10 per year. It's a Chrome plugin. Okay, so you just put in keywords everywhere, download it. Obviously, you know, I'm not going to go into the details of that, but this is it here basically. You can see that I've got that installed. Now, you can see here, if you put in, what I want to do is actually show you strategies on low-hanging fruit for products. So if you're going straight for the kill with products, you can put in the product that you want to promote. You can put it into Google. Now, a couple of things you can do. If you haven't got keywords everywhere, you can just go and put in the product, and then you can leave the cursor sitting there, right? And then it will come up with the most searched for terms. And if you put in a space and put in A, it's going to give you some more, right? And then you can put in B, put in C, and then, you know, you could do the same with that. So it could be, let's say, for instance, Kartra affiliate. Okay, so it might be that we use Kartra affiliate, maybe not the login, because we don't really want to necessarily want to get people to log in. But we might want to see, look, Kartra affiliate commission, program review, payment. We can create videos around all these. But if you do plug in keywords everywhere, it's going to give you the actual searched for volumes for these products. So if I put in Kartra review, you'll be able to see that this is getting 720 a month. Okay, so not as much as it used to get. It used to get quite a lot. Maybe Kartra pricing has a bit more. So that's a little bit more meaty. And you'll get all this data as well. This CPC refers to how much people are prepared to place an ad and do cost per click on that ad, right? So you could actually put an ad up here. This is not what we're going to do today, right? And this competition is referring to ads. It doesn't refer to videos. And as you can see on this specific one, there's no video on the front page of Google. So you could optimize the video, put it on the front page of Google, because Google prefers to put videos on the front page of Google because videos are more engaging medium, right? So you can optimize it to put it on there. So this is really good. So this is called Keywords Everywhere, like I say, and this will give you data and it will give you suggested, as you can see here, look, this is Keywords Everywhere. It's giving us suggested search terms, and you can, if you want to, you can load this up. So this gives you all the search, all the data with it as well. So you know how much the volumes are and things like that for searches, right? So you've got all these kind of interesting things. So this is what I call the low-hanging fruit method, because we're not having to rank for reasons or problems that people have. We're just going straight for the kill, and that works much better with new products, right? Because nobody's ever created a video around this, so you can rank them really quite fast. Now, if you are ranking for products that are already ranking, what you can use this plugin here, which this tool here called VidIQ. Now, this is a premium tool. It costs $10 per month, okay, on the pro plan for you to get this keyword data. But this gives us specific search terms on YouTube, right? So these are basically going to show us what's on YouTube. Now, what's really interesting about this is that you'll find that when you're going for actual products, a lot of the time you'll see it's very, very low competition, which means that you might not be able to rank on the front page of Google as easy because there might be a bit more competition, but you will be able to rank on YouTube. And sometimes as well, some of these products, depending on what you're promoting, there'll be higher search for volumes on YouTube than there will on Google. It just depends on the type of product, right? If the product is more likely to be searched for in a video format, then it will be, then the volumes will generally be higher on YouTube. So you can see here, now I'm just going to show you, look, this is crazy. Look at this. You can go for all of these keywords on YouTube and the competition's very low, very low, very low, very low, right the way down, right? And the way you look at this data, okay, and you can actually do this by competition, so you can actually do it like that, right? So you could do it like that. You can do it by overall score, which is what you actually want to go by, because the overall score means the most likely you're going to rank for that keyword, right? So you can actually see when you put in Kartra, look at this, ClickFunnels comes up and the score is 77. So if you try and make videos about ClickFunnels right now, it's got 185,000 searches a month and you can put videos up for it. Kajabi tutorial, Groove Digital, right? And then you've basically got gurus' names as well, Kartra review, sales review, and then it's got all this data here. But I was just going to show you here, look, I'm just going to show you 3 products, and then I'll give you an idea of what you can do with these. So with Kartra, ClickFunnels, Groove, okay, they're all landing page software, right? Now these are the products that I've promoted, And what I'll do is quite often I'll go and create demos. I'll show people how to do tutorials on how to use them. I'll make reviews. And I'll also go one step deeper with these keywords as well, and not just go for the low hanging fruit, but give, I'll say to people how to make a landing page in 10 minutes. And then there'll be a number of searches for that as well. And then we can tap into that and show them the product, right? So I'm just going to show you as well. If I put in ClickFunnels, a lot of people think this is saturated, right? But the funny thing is because most people think it's saturated, most people don't go for it. But you can actually see here, look, this is very, very low. Okay, look, ClickFunnels affiliate program, very low. ClickFunnels tutorial. This is an incredibly powerful buying keyword, because if somebody wants a tutorial of ClickFunnels, often they're looking to buy it, right? So you've got all this. I mean, let's put in ClickFunnels review. That's probably one of the most powerful keywords you'll get. So this is 10,000 searches a month here. And what you can do here as well is if you can actually click on this word. We wouldn't click on that one, but you can click on these words and it's going to bring you up keywords around that keyword. So if I click on Russell Brunson, it brings up all these, and look, you can see all of these are very low. This is Dan Kennedy. All these people, you can look at all these search for volumes. So this is wide open. And again, the other one that I love promoting, the one I promoted, and I'm going to show you how I did that as well, is GrooveFunnels, okay, which is now Groove, but people still search for GrooveFunnels. And you can see, look, all of these keywords here are very low. This one's low, but this is the word landing page, which is much more generic, right? But these are all Groove Cart, Groove, GrooveFunnels review, 9,000 a month. Like this one here, this one in itself, let's just click on that, is pure gold, because somebody put in that search term and is obviously looking for GrooveFunnels, right? So it's incredible. And look at the score. These scores are really high. So that's really exciting. So you can obviously go for the low hanging fruit, and you can try and rank on the front page of Google, but actually a lot of these you can just clean up on with just YouTube, right? So this is why this is really exciting. And affiliate marketing, obviously you don't need the product yourself. Although what I would recommend is getting a trial of especially like with these examples here, you can get a 2-week trial with all of them. You can really dig in. You can really start showing people stuff, and you don't even have to pay for it. And you can literally go and sign up as an affiliate, start promoting, get some affiliate commissions in, which will then pay for your software, or you can cancel the software if you don't want it, but you can still sign up as an affiliate, right? So that's kind of the strategy. Now, I just want to give you an example of how I did this, right? So this here is Groove Pages Review. Now, as you know, I'm just going to quickly show you this slide again that I've got here. So this one here, we did a 6-figure business and again, at this stage, in this 12-month period, it wasn't last year, it was the year before, they had just launched, literally, when I created this first video I'm going to show you now, they just launched, right? So I put up a video based on what I saw on Muncheye, and the very first video that I put up, which is this one here, you can just see it behind me here, right? This is the one I'm going to show you, because this, all I did with here, right, was and the way to do this, by the way, if you haven't got any expensive equipment or anything like that, you can just hop on Zoom and press the record button. You don't need to go on a call with anyone. You just go on Zoom, press the record button, and then you can screen share, right? And I screen shared the landing page here, as you can see Mike here, and he starts off in this video. I remember him saying, "Are you not happy with your landing page builder? Neither were we." Right? And then he talks for a few minutes of really, really basic, because it was a launch, right? They were kickstarting the whole campaign. Really basic page, but it worked really well. And somebody could then come straight to the link and purchase Groove, right? Now, you notice the date here. This is Christmas Eve, right? So I was around my mum's, because my mum, I don't live in the same town as my mum. My mum lives in the hometown I grew up in. So I went there for Christmas, and my mum was cooking dinner, and my brother's disabled, so he was in his bedroom, and everyone was kind of, doing Christmassy stuff. And I was just sitting there with my laptop watching telly, and I didn't have my microphone with me. I didn't have I didn't even put myself on camera here. You can see that I just literally screen shared. I spoke into my laptop, and the strategy here really is just to let them know if somebody puts in Groove Pages Review, that's what they want, right? So you want to go and make a list of all the things that people could be thinking of. And if you don't know, obviously just go and look at what other videos are out there, or if it's a new video or a new product that you've got off Muncheye, go and see what the competitors are mentioning about. Because if you tick the boxes that other people are talking about, you can do that. So you can obviously search those on YouTube. And that's all I did, was I just said, like, they were doing a lifetime access, okay? So ClickFunnels, Kartra, all the others had never done that. they do a free trial, but they'd never done a one-time fee for a landing page builder. And, you know, even I thought that was genuinely exciting. I thought, oh my God, this is amazing. So I just did this. Look, Groove Pages Review, $497 lifetime access for this one app. They've now got like a suite of tools, right? But this is what they were doing, right? And I just made sure I put a link above the fold here in these first 3 lines here. And I just spoke over the top of this landing page. I paused it, spoke over the top for 2 minutes. 20 minutes after this video went live, I got a commission, right? The next day I got another commission. The next day I got 2 commissions because I was putting up more videos because, you know, obviously I was realizing that this was a good product and it was working. People were searching for it, right? So, so, you know, we were basically, it's a strategy we call launch hacking, right? Because this product was launching and we were basically there, you know, scooping up the sales. And then the next day we got 2, and then, you know, a week later I got contacted by their team, and, you know, the rest is history. So this is, you know, this so many amazing things happened as a result of this, and that was all because I saw this on Muncheye, right? So obviously, if your product's new, okay, what you can do if you're just bringing the product to the market is you can go and rank for your competitors' products. So who else has got something that you're, you know, who's your competitor? You can obviously, who's searching for that? You can go and create a video, and you can say, are you looking for, you know, for instance, if I was doing this for Groove Pages, I could say, I know you're looking for Groove Pages, but I want to show you an alternative, right? And then that way you've covered the fact that you've used the name in the title, and then you're going to obviously talk about the new product, right? So you've got that there. And, you know, this is not viral content. This is just ranking in front of our red hot buyers. So you'll see just down below here, the next video in this series, right, is really important. And I really want to make sure you don't miss that. So go over there now, go check that, and we'll carry on. So I'll see you there.